There's one car that takes you anywhere you want to go. The Model T. Strong, sturdy, with a will of its own. Here's how they put them together at the Highland Park plant. A car comes off the line every 10 seconds. Dealers sell them in just about every town in the land. There's no end to what you can do when you own a car. No longer locked on the land, the farmer's wife can get away from the farm for a while, take the baby down the road for a visit. Trucks take over the job of moving produce to market. The Sunday afternoon drive becomes a national habit. This is the Columbia River Highway, Northern Oregon, built in 1917.